In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a filter for start and end dates using parameters in Tableau. This will help you dynamically adjust your data view and make your analysis much more flexible and insightful. Let's jump right into it. First, you will want to start by launching the Tableau app. Once you're in, click on the Tableau icon. This will lead you to your canvas, which is where all the magic happens. Next, look for the drop-down menu icon that is typically found next to the View Data icon. Click on this drop-down menu to access more options. You'll find an option named Create Parameter. Click on that. It's time to create your first parameter, which we'll call Start Date. From the Data Type menu, choose Date and Time. This ensures that our parameter can handle any date and time data you may need. Under Allowable Values, select Range. This allows you to specify multiple values within a particular scope. From the Add Values from drop-down menu, choose Order Date. This associates the date parameter with actual dates in your dataset. After that, click OK to confirm and save your parameter settings. Now click the drop-down menu icon once again. This time, select the option for another parameter. This will be your end date parameter. As before, choose date and time from the data type options and select range under allowable values. Again, pick order date from the add values from drop-down menu to associate this parameter with your existing data, and then hit OK. Once both parameters are set up, head over to the top menu and click on Analysis. From here, select Create Calculated Field. Let's name this field Date Range. It's in this calculated field that you'll define the following logic: order date, start date, and order date, each end date. Essentially, you're filtering to show only the data between your start and end dates. After typing this in, click OK to finish setting up the calculated field. You'll now want to drag the date range calculated field into the filters field. When a dialog box appears, click True, then OK. What this does is apply your date range filter to your existing data. Next, navigate to the Tables section. Drag State into the Columns field and either Sales or Profit into the Rows field. This setup will help visualize your filtered data in an easily digestible format. Now, let's head to the parameters we created earlier. Look at the drop-down options for the start date and end date parameters. Click on Show Parameter. This will bring the parameter controls directly onto your Tableau dashboard, making it easy to adjust your start and end dates on the fly. Finally, drag both the start date and end date parameters below the marks field. This positions them prominently, so you can now apply these dynamically to your data. And there you have it. You now know how to create a filter for start and end dates using parameters in Tableau. This tool gives you the flexibility to refine your data and gather more insightful information tailored to your needs.